Evening again. Renault key 3-button. Quite a good nick for one of these in all fairness. Usually they're battered and beaten, but that's actually a really good nick. Right, so let's have a little look, shall we? Let's get the old screw undone on the back. Small fingers again. Put that to one side. Right, so that should come. Oh, look, a little gap there. Look, see it? Let's wiggle that in there. Lift that up. Right, so what have we got? The back of the key there, obviously we've got the blade attached there, and that's your battery there. Okay. So that's that half of it. Let's put that to one side. Right, on the inner side, which is the top half, there's your circuit board. Let's see if we can just hook that out gently. Right, there's the back of your key. Okay. Just a plastic shell. There's the back of the buttons there, so when you press, you can press through. Let's put that to one side. Right, here we got the bit that does all the magic. Right, it's your circuit board. Okay. Just check those micro switches, because normally they got a habit of coming loose. In all fairness, that looks quite nice, that one. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So let's play that. Let's put it back together, shall we? Right. It's a bit of a roll reversal. That should drop into there nicely. There's two little pegs, one there and one there. Can you see them? Okay, so she's in there. It's a pretty simple one, this one. Put that back on. And she clips together quite nicely. Okay. Simplest bit of life. Screw back in. And up she goes. Don't have to go mega tight on that, just nipper. Alright, and there she's back together. It's actually quite a nice key, that one. Usually they're a bit battered or covered in paint or crap or something. Right, I'll leave you alone. See you in a bit.